For the parishes of Allen, Avoyelles, Beauregard, Catahoula, Grant, Nakidoux, Rapides, Sabina, Vernon, and Wynne. Attention all residents of Central and West Central Louisiana, there is an active cell phone outage with some carriers in the region. 911 emergency services are operational for emergencies in most of the Central Louisiana regions except for La Salle and Concordia parishes, as they are not able to receive calls to the 911 center. La Salle parish's landlines are still up. To reach LPSO, contact 318-992-2151 or 318-495-5128. For those in Concordia Parish needing to reach the Sheriff Office, call 318-336-5231. Do not call 911 or any of the alternative numbers mentioned, unless you have an actual emergency. This is to avoid heavy traffic. Stay tuned to local media.
This is the Concordia Parish Sheriff's Office. 911 emergency services are down throughout the parish. An alternative you can call in case of an emergency is 318-495-5128. Do not test the 911 or Sheriff's Office number. Restoration time is unknown.
A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following areas. Lincoln, Louisiana, at 12:32 p.m. on June 16, 2025, effective until 3:32 p.m., Lincoln Parish. This message is in regards to the recent cell phone outages of some carriers. Our 911 system is up. However, phone systems for the Sheriff's Office and courthouse are down. Do not call 911 unless you have a real emergency.
Sand from your hair is
Thunderbolt Tron cable has interrupted programming for a local emergency alert. Please stand by for this message.
Civil authorities have issued an administrative message for the following areas, all of Louisiana. Effective until June 16, 2006:02 PM CT. Cell service throughout portions of the state of Louisiana has been restored. Thank you for your cooperation during this emergency.
We now return to normal programming on Thunderbolt Tron cable.